Hello, 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 everyone. Yep. How you guys doing? I decided to do a live video today. Um, I didn't do any video last 2 weeks. 'Cause I was so busy. Welcome. I see two people there already. Welcome. Let me know if you can hear me correctly. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Say yes if you can hear me. If you can hear me, say yes. Okay, perfect. Okay. Jumanji Bells don't say yes, so that's good. How you guys doing? Yeah, I just wanna make a live video today on Sunday Talk. Normally, you guys don't see my video around 9 a.m. Eastern time, but last week and I was very busy. I didn't make any video. I just wanna let you know that I'm fine. I was just very busy. That's why I didn't see none of my video. How you guys doing? Some of you guys who lives in United States of America, how you guys celebrating the 4th of July weekend? You having fun? Let me know where you're watching me from, where you are watching me from. That will give me an idea who are watching me and where you guys are watching me from. I see 11 people so far. Hello. Good morning, Mercy. Good evening. You said, yep. Good evening, Mercy. How are you? Uh, where you guys watching me from? Let me know. Let me know where you guys watching me from. Let me turn this down quick. My computer. From Nigeria. Mercy say from Nigeria. How you guys doing over there? My people from Niger. Kilo day. um, what do you have to say, Mercy? Go ahead. So first of all, every Sunday, just like we do on Sunday Talk, I have a code before I start, answering questions and all those stuff. I see you guys on, send me your Dominican Republic. We have people from India, from Houston. So, like always, whatever advice I provide on the Sunday Talk, I know legal advice. If you guys want legal advice, or you need to talk to an attorney or an immigration lawyer, okay? So, we're gonna cover NVC update, just an overview update for some of you guys who didn't have a chance to check our NVC website this week regarding the updates. We're gonna cover that quick, and also I have a powerful code for you guys. Okay, so let's start with the powerful code. I hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday evening. Let's start with the powerful code that I have for you today. Today's quote is coming from Thomas Jefferson. Here is the quote. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. I think it's a great code because it's good to be honest with people, other people. If you're good with them, you're honest with them, they can share what they have, what they know with you. That's how you become more wise. Okay, if you are not honest with people, guess what? They're not going to be honest with you and they're not going to be able to share anything with you. So honesty is very important. Okay. So guys, let's cover NVC update quick before we jump into the questions. I know some of you guys have a question. NVC update of on this week. So I didn't make any video this week. Like I said, some of you guys just join us. I was very busy. I didn't have a chance to make any video since last Sunday. But NVC update regarding cases they are working on this week is they're saying on their website, that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on June 5th, 2023. meaning that some of you guys will receive a welcome letter and then start your immigrant visa process. Some of you guys who already started your immigrant visa process, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they will receive from you guys on June on 9 or 2023. They will let you know whether or not your document will qualify, and then after that, you just wait for your interview appointment letter. And then the third update is regarding the inquiries. Some of you guys who ask send inquiry to NVC, asking different questions, want to know maybe what is going on. They announced on their website this week that they are working on, they are responding to on the inquiries they received from you guys on June 17, 2023. Okay, so basically, that was the NVC update, just a quick overview update. Then let's let me see what kind of question you guys have. Can cover some question quick before I start talking to. I mean, maybe give you advice. I've got advice for newcomers because I have one advice for newcomers here in United States of America. So let's see here. Guys, if you just join us, let us know where you're watching from. I have 17 people so far. It's just on something this live. I didn't know send any notification regarding this live. I just decided to do the live because, like I say, I didn't make any video. I didn't make any video since last week. So you have people watching from Gambia, people watching from Nigeria. Okay, so Mercy say has a question. My husband is an American or citizen, and he filed for me since 2020 before COVID. Okay, so what's going on? Did you get okay, I have been submit every document and payment and they have approved all of them. Now I'm waiting for my interview date. Is 3 years and some month now. Well, if you don't get your interview appointment letter yet, Mercy Gabriel, I'm talking to you. If you didn't get your interview appointment letter yet, just because maybe there's a lot of applicant, a lot of visa applicant in your category going to the Nigeria or U.S. embassy. Okay, because if you provide all the document, NVC didn't ask for additional document. You just have to know that okay, maybe there is a lot of people going there. That's the reason why you're still in line. But where exactly you're in line, nobody knows until you receive an interview appointment letter from NVC. Okay, that's what happens most of the time. You just have to be patient till you get your interview appointment letter. There's nothing else you're gonna do at this point, unless there is a like emergency situation. You're in an emergency situation where you can expedite your case. But other than that, you just have to keep waiting until NVC schedule your interview for you. Okay. Dwayne Brown. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. If prior date is July 2016, document to qualify October 2022. When can I expect my interview? Like I always tell you guys, nobody can tell you when you will receive your interview appointment letter. No one can tell you. You just have to focus on the document. If you already provide your document and NVC or didn't ask you for additional documents, stuff like that, there is nothing else you're gonna do, guys. Don't turn around, waste your time and thinking about okay, maybe something I'm gonna do, or people will tell you, okay, you do this, do that. No, you just have to keep waiting. Once you provide your document to qualify, you just have to stay in line till you receive your interview appointment letter. Basically, that's how it works. Okay. Um, so yeah, Mercy Gabriel says really worried. I know, a lot of people, most of you guys are watching me or watch my videos, so you're in that category where you've been waiting for so long. There's nothing else you're gonna do. Again, don't let people, come and tell you that okay, you can do this or maybe pay them. They're gonna help you, stuff like that. No, nobody can help you at that point. Once your document will qualify, that's when the waiting game starts. Unfortunately, you just have to keep waiting until you receive your interview appointment letter. Some of you guys who just joined me, please, if you like the live so far, click on the live button. Only four people only four people like the live so far, but we have what 17 people are seen there. Just like the video if you really enjoying it. What is Fritzo Lubin from Haiti. Hello, how you doing? Fritzo Lubin, but I'm from Dominican Republic. Oh, okay. So you live in Haiti, but you're from Dominican Republic. Okay. How is everything over there? Um, let's see. Yeah, you can send your question now. Send your question in between. I want to spend at least 30 minutes with you. You have a question, send it. Because, like I say, I didn't make any videos since last week or even this morning. I didn't have any Sunday Talk video. That's why I decided to go live. I just came back from church. I want to go live. I know some of you guys in another country, you're probably sleeping already. But some of you guys who here in the United States of America, happy 4th of July. Um, enjoy yourself, okay? Be safe and enjoy yourself. It's very important. My sister applied since on 2011. Well, so that one is on F4 category. CISO, you in F4 category. It's that F4 category is a long process. Okay, the process for F4 category is a long process. Sometimes it can take 15 years or even 17 years before you come to the United States of America. So you say your sister, applied for you since on 2011. 2011, so it's roughly what, 12 years? Maybe in 3 years, 4 years, maybe you might get your visa and come to the United States, But like I say, it takes time. Okay, you have to be patient. M. Abdul, do citizenship or any of your appointments schedule based on zip code? Well, it's all depend. It's all depend. Okay, based on zip code, or I don't really think so. To schedule an appointment, once you went through the process, you are at the point where you have to go to the appointment. One thing I know is that they wait till they have enough people. Then, because they have a like certain day they have to do the ceremony. So once they have enough people, they will schedule an interview. You pass the interview, then you can go to the ceremony. But based on the zip code, I don't know for sure. Okay. Um, Oshima Ashai IR1 document to qualify March on 2022. When will I get my interview date? Like I said, guys, nobody can tell you when you're gonna get your interview date. Um, I get that questions every time. People send me that question every time. When I'm gonna get my interview date, all that. Nobody can tell you when you will get your interview date. Even NVC, when you call them, you ask them, okay, I'm document to qualify, when I'm gonna get my interview, they will tell you straight. They cannot tell you. You have to wait because one thing you have to keep in mind also is that it's all depend on the US embassy capacity, okay, to handle immigrant visa, okay. So if they can handle, let's say, immigrant visa for 100 people, they can only handle 100 people. Okay, and then after that, they will bring another 100 people. That's how it works. So if you guys like 1,000, applying for the same visa, and you guys will go to the same U.S. embassy, guess what? It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. You just have to keep waiting. The main thing is once you submit your document, all the required document, you just have to keep waiting. That's a waiting game after that. Okay. So when you're gonna receive your interview appointment letter, nobody can tell you. Okay, nobody can tell you. All right. So I went to NVC update of this week. For some of you guys who didn't have a chance to check the NVC website and also cover the powerful and positive code that I have for you today, which is from Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson. Um, and now another thing we're gonna cover is basically advice for some of you guys who are new here in the United States of America. I have one advice for some of you guys today, which is like when you move to United States of America, take your first job seriously. Okay, your first job will help you to maybe learn better English, learn English, have friends, start networking with people that can lead to another better job. Okay, so when you come to United States of America, you get a job. Take it seriously. It don't matter what kind of job it is. If you're working in a restaurant, you're working in like uh, I don't know, the factory or whatever, take it seriously, okay? Because like I say, that job not only will help you to save money, get a maybe your car, your first car. If you don't have a car, it will help you to get an apartment. Even if you're gonna share an apartment with somebody, at least you will move from your host, the person who accept you, or to stay with them till you find a job. You will move from that place, go to get your own apartment. Again, you don't have to get your own apartment right away. You can share with somebody. But if you have a mean, you get paid good at that job. Yes, go ahead and get your apartment. Okay, so that job, that first job, is gonna be, take it seriously. Basically, that's what I want to tell you, because if you're gonna apply for another job, you have to have your CV, your resume, okay? And on that resume, whatever your first job, what you did on the first job will help you, to get another job. That's an advice I want to give some of you guys who just moved to the country. So we're 15 people. I don't think you have a lot of questions today. If you do, go ahead and send your question. I'm gonna do my best to answer that question before I stop the live. Like I say, it wasn't a live that I planned, just something I thought about just to say hi to you and see if you guys have any question for me, and I'll answer that. Since I didn't make any video since last week. Okay. So send your question if you do have a question for me. Any question? So NVC yesterday, NVC update for Haitian Family Unification Pro. Well, I don't know much about that, Fito. I don't know much about that. I have to read about it, because I don't want to give you false information. I don't know if you are eligible for that reunification family. I don't know for sure. Okay. So you're already in the process. So I don't know if you have to worry too much about that reunification thing or not. Okay. But once I get a new update or I know what is going on, I can let you guys know. Betty Mason from Memphis, Tennessee. Well, happy 4th to you. How you celebrating the 4th of July? You're gonna send me some barbecue. Hey guys, as a reminder, some of you guys who didn't purchase any USA Mon shirt yet, please check on the website to get at least one T-shirt to support the channel. Okay. What is it? Mervin then. Hi John. I think it will be important to have people come on to live. Yeah, that's a good question. I think I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on that. I never done that before. I never done that before. Yeah, I will work on it. That's a good idea. Thanks for that. Any question? Yeah, a lot of people don't know that I will come on live. So you have what, 17 people? You see here, John, Claudia. How long does one need to wait for after DNA test and condone a month ago for the child on over 21 family reunion? That one I don't know for sure. To be honest with you, I don't know for sure how long you have to wait. Um, I mean, how long ago? You say a month ago. It depends on the probably depend on the category too, because a child who is over 21 is no longer a relative, immediate relative. Okay, and then the process is gonna stay longer. And then at this point, I think what they call it, um, you just have to wait until you get a notification from the consulate. Okay, because I don't know for sure how long will it take after that. Okay. Any other question? Let me know. Let me know. Let me see here. Oh, you are welcome, Melvin. You are so welcome. All right, that's good to know, Melvin. Good to know. You guys stay safe over there. Where are you guys living here in United States? I don't know if you already say that, but I want to know where you guys watch me from. Oh, Des Moines, Iowa. Oh, okay, cool. So happy Fourth to you guys. 20 people. If you like the live so far, give me the thumbs up. In case you don't like it, you don't have to worry about it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs up. Jumanji Belson. Can someone will from Aspire Green Card that has extension and still waiting for 10 years green card be a co-sponsor? Well, I know for sure you have to be a green card. You say your green card expired. Well, green card expired doesn't mean that your status on expire. Okay, one thing you have to know is that the green card itself, the card itself, is just like a proof to show that you are a permanent resident. So if it expire, it doesn't mean that your green card status expire, your permanent resident status expire. Okay, so you say if on the green card, expired, that has an extension and still waiting for 10 years on green card, be a co-sponsor of it. I would say yes. As long as you still have that status, yes. Okay, yeah. As long as you still have that permanent resident status, yes, you know, you can be a co-sponsor. I mean, it's all based on my knowledge, though. It's all based on my knowledge. M. Abdullah, when someone get unconditional green card to get divorced and remarry the same person, will that affect the 3 years? Would divorce and remarry the same person? That one, I'm not really. I'm not 100% sure about that. One thing I know for sure, if the person you married to is a U.S. citizen, then once you get your green card, you can apply for citizenship, or 3 years after that. Um, 3 years after that. But you marry that person, you divorce and get married with that person again. That's the first time somebody's asked me this question, and I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure if the 3 years uh, the 3 years period before you become a citizenship, or it will affect that. I don't know for sure it will affect that. Okay, it's something maybe you need to talk to an immigration lawyer about. Okay, but normally, if everything goes well, you get your green card and you go back to the interview. They give you the 10 years green card. 3 years after you get your first green card, that's when you can apply for U.S. citizenship. But this one right here, I don't know for sure. Okay, another question. Oh, Melvin, happy 4th to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kajali Darbo, hello. Hello, sir. How are you? Any question, guys? Let me know if you have another question. Let me see. Got 19 people watching right now. Okay. Send your question if you do have a question. If you just join us, let me know when you are watching from. Let me see here. So some of you guys who just joined us, I was on the powerful code of today's video. The live is came from Thomas Jefferson, which is honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Okay, it's very important to be honest with people. If you are not honest with people, they're not gonna like you, they're not gonna share what they know with you. So it's very important. I think it's a powerful code, but you guys can let me know what you think about the code as well. Okay, let's go back here. Any question? Betty Mason, hi sir, I'm watching you from Memphis, Tennessee. Do my husband need to take a proof of our relationship or like a picture to his interview? Well, it won't hurt anything if he takes all those stuff to the interview. It won't hurt anything. It's not something that is required, but it won't hurt anything at all. Okay, if he takes on all those proof to the interview. Watching from California, Cedric from California. How are you guys? How are you guys celebrating 4th of July over there, Cedric? Are you gonna send me some barbecue? I want some barbecue, Cedric from California. California love. So any question? Any question? Any other questions? Any other question? Got almost 3 more minutes here to stop this live. If you have any other question, let me know. M. Abdul, how long do you get your citizenship interview after receiving your receive notice in a week? Well, that one it's all depend on the the state where you live. Okay, it's all depend on the state of where you live. Because you can get your interview maybe 2 weeks, 2 months. I mean, 2 months or 3 months after you receive your notice. It can be 5 months. It all depends on how busy the USCIS is, USCIS is, and also uh, you know the states. Like I said, some states things going on faster, but some state it doesn't go faster. Like state like New York, for example, it's gonna take a little longer to get your interview later than somebody who probably live in like another state where which is not like a not big city. If it's not a big city, sometimes it's a little quicker. But like a big city or big state, yes, it's little. It doesn't go quicker. Okay, so this is why I also this is the based on what zip code. When I say states, I mean I'm talking about states. Okay, a state is different than zip code. Zip code, there's a lot of zip code in the states. Yeah, you say zip code was a lot of zip code in the states. So if you say city, yes, it can based on cities also. If we talk about city, we're going to talk about zip code. But like a state of New York, for example, state of Maryland, for example, those are places where the immigration process are a little slower because of the amount of people who apply for those type of application like citizenship and all those stuff. Okay, yes, but no zip code. Okay, because somebody who can live like a small city still has to go to another big city or where it can go to get the interview, but no within that zip code itself. Okay. Melvin, but when you start bringing people on the live, I would like to come on and share my experience on what I did to get out of it. Okay, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Yeah, it's something I have to try. I never tried before. I have to try that. Okay, and see. I will try that and see how it will work. You're welcome, Abdul. So if you have more question, let me know. If not, I'm gonna go in and stop the chat here. Thanks for coming up again. It wasn't something that I prepared. Something I really wanted to do. I just thought about it. I came back from church. I was like, okay, let me just come here and say hello to you guys. So thanks for coming up. I wish you guys a happy 4th. Some of you guys will live here in the United States of America. Happy 4th of July. and I talk to you guys on in another video. Okay, thank you. Bye.